Hey there fellow gardening enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to share the top 9 intriguing facts about the morning glory plant. So, grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. First things first, what exactly is the morning glory plant? Well, morning glory, also known as Ipomoea, is a genus of flowering plants known for their stunning, trumpet-shaped blossoms. These vibrant blooms open up in the morning and close in the afternoon, giving them their enchanting name. Here are the top 9 interesting facts about these colorful vines. Fact number 1. Did you know that the morning glory plant boasts an incredible worldwide diversity? Now you know. With over 1,000 species, you can find these beauties in various shapes, sizes, and colors across different continents, from North and South America to Asia and Africa. Fact number 2. Morning glory flowers aren't just visually stunning, they also act as natural alarm clocks. Their blooms are sensitive to sunlight, so they open up in the morning to welcome the sun and gradually close as the day progresses. Fact number 3. These plants have been cultivated for centuries and have held different symbolic meanings in various cultures. In some traditions, they represent love and affection, while in others, they symbolize spirituality and enlightenment. Fact number 4. Morning glory plants are true climbing wonders. These vines are excellent climbers and can reach impressive heights, making them a fantastic choice for adding vertical interest to your garden or trellises. Fact number 5. Some morning glory varieties have been used in traditional medicine for their potential anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. However, it's important to note that some parts of the plant can be toxic if ingested. Fact number 6. Morning glory plants aren't just pretty, they're also great at attracting pollinators. Their nectar-rich blooms are a magnet for bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, helping to support local ecosystems and biodiversity. Fact number 7. Morning glory plants are surprisingly easy to grow. They're hardy annuals that thrive in various soil types and require minimal care. Just give them plenty of sunlight and watch them flourish. Fact number 8. Ever heard of night-blooming morning glory? Some species of morning glory, like the moonflower, bloom at night, releasing a sweet fragrance that fills the air after the sun goes down. It's a stunning sight to behold in the evening garden. Last but not least, let's delve into the realm of folklore and legends with fact number 9. Morning glory plants have inspired stories and myths around the world. In some cultures, they're believed to bring good luck and happiness, while in others, they're associated with transformation and renewal. And there you have it, folks, 10 captivating facts about the morning glory plant that make it a truly remarkable and enchanting addition to any garden. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more captivating content. Until next time, keep blooming and keep gardening.